Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making juicy flavorful beef patties with the perfect blend of spices and also keto and low-carb friendly. In a mixing bowl add 450 grams or 1 pound minced beef, season with 1/2 teaspoon Himalayan salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon dried coriander. Mix everything well to evenly distribute the flavors. Use an ice cream scoop to divide the mixture into equal portions. Shape them into patties, pressing gently to form a nice, even thickness. Now, here's a little trick: lightly scratch the surface with a spatula or the back of a knife. This helps with even cooking and prevents the patties from puffing up into meatballs. Heat a pan over medium heat and drizzle in some olive oil. Once it's hot, place the patties in. Cook them for about 3 minutes on each side, until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. And there you have it, perfectly juicy beef patties, ready to enjoy. Serve them as they are, or use them for burgers. Let me know in the comments how you'd enjoy yours. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. See you next time.